Crystal if you are new here. So today I am gonna be doing another vlog. So I saw this picture on Pinterest and I wanted to try them out. I was like, why not try these out and kind of incorporate them into my everyday routine. So today it's gonna be focusing on the body part. I'll try to do other episodes focusing on soul and mind. But today we're gonna focus on body because if you guys saw my previous video, you guys know that I was very sick. My voice is still a little bit raspy. I hope it comes back. I hope my voice doesn't stay like this forever. But it's like 80-90% back now. Health is wealth. You guys have to take care of your body and I really want to make sure that I, start taking care of my body more. So here I am making a video. So I'm gonna be doing a bunch of things and taking you guys along this day. I'm also at my parents' house, which is not in Seoul. So it's like a lot of nature, a lot of rejuvenating session every time I come here, which I love. My room here, I'm still in the process of decorating, which I might make a video, but right now it's like a mess. And like the wallpapers I have like little pink flowers on it, which is kind of ugly and I really want to paint over it, but then I don't know if I'm gonna have the energy for it. Anyways, let's first make some breakfast and do a bunch of things on the list. First, I'm gonna have some morning fruit. These are some grapes and I have no idea what that's called. I also have some bread that I had a bite of. Also, my friend got this from Paris for me. It's like a little chestnut cream that you can use as a jam. So I'm gonna be eating this. I also have some fig jam. I just had my mini breakfast. It was like a light breakfast because I think I'm gonna be having lunch soon. But right now I just wanted to do my makeup a little because the sun is coming out. It was like kind of gloomy a while ago, but now that it's sunny, I wanted to take some pictures. So I'm gonna put some makeup on, apply some lashes, and then we're gonna head outside. Let's do that. Your pest is drowned. Hello guys. So I made it outside and I changed into this romper from Cider. Just eating some fruits, immersing the sun because I feel like the sun's gonna go down soon. But I love nature, super appreciative and just soaking in all of the sun. Living in Seoul, like obviously you don't get to like chill outside for a while unless like you go to the park or whatever. So I'm really happy that I can be here. Also, I like haven't been eating enough fruits apparently. Like my mom has been roasting me so much. So here I am with my bowl of fruit and I'm gonna be eating it throughout the day. I love grapes, so cheers. Also gonna be tanning a little because I feel like I became pretty pale. So this is a tanning oil. Spray it around. Hey. Change. This bikini is from Cider. It is so cute. I love it. I took pictures for this and now I think we're gonna go have lunch. We're not really sure where to go, but we're gonna try to get some nutritious meal inside and I'm hungry, so let's go.
And do you find it terrifying?
So I finished making my lunch. So I have some lettuce, I have some peach, and I have an egg and some bread. Honestly, I love this combination because I love salad. Bon appetit! Look at these cute little plants. I think this is lettuce, green onions, and this lettuce died, unfortunately. We're gonna get more so that we can grow them and actually eat them, but we ate this one this morning. Yay! Hello guys, so we got back from some grocery shopping. We didn't really buy a lot, but basically we got some cherry tomatoes, some mushrooms, more mushrooms, some eggs. So this is, I guess, like for breakfast tomorrow, and then I'm probably gonna head back to Seoul on like Tuesday morning, early morning. But yeah, this is what I got. So now we're gonna be getting ready to get unready and everything. So yeah. Skincare, and this face mask is leaving my face so glowy, like look at that. So I finished the day. I'm gonna do rest of the other things tomorrow, and right now I'm gonna go to sleep